Tired of the same batching mistakes? Again and again? Errors creeping in, deadlines slipping, audits looming, stress rising, manual batching just isn't cutting it anymore. It's time for a change. Meet Gramton's bin batching system, precision built for the rubber industry. Automation redefined. Smart PLC HMI system. This unit delivers ingredient accuracy below 1 gram. With SS or MS bins, dual-scale connectivity, and scanner-based filling, you get consistency every single time. No more guesswork. Track every batch, every ingredient. Print barcodes, export reports. Audit ready always. Imagine a system that remembers everything, that never miscounts, that works as hard as you do. This isn't just automation, it's peace of mind. It's time to batch smarter. It's time to reclaim control. It's time for Gramton. Visit gramtonweighing.com. Book a demo. Talk to our solution experts. Let's build precision together.